One of the biggest challenges we hear from builders is keeping schedules organized. Too often, schedules are built in spreadsheets or whiteboards, which makes it easy for things to slip through the cracks. Trades don't always know the latest updates, deadlines shift, and suddenly the whole project timeline is off track. That's where 123 Works comes in. We recently worked with a builder who told us they had 3 projects going at the same time. They were trying to manage all their schedules manually in Excel. Anytime one trade got delayed, they had to update multiple spreadsheets, resend new versions, and call or email every sub. By the time the message got out, the delay had already cost them time and money. They needed a better way. Inside 123 Works, every project has its own schedule. You can build schedules quickly using our templates or create custom ones from scratch. Each task links directly to the project workflow, so nothing gets missed. Here you can see how tasks are laid out on the Gantt chart, and with one click, we can shift a timeline or adjust dependencies. This keeps everything connected in real time. One of the most powerful features is communication. Instead of chasing subs with phone calls, 123 Works can automatically send out task reminders by email. Assign a task to a trade, and they'll see exactly what needs to be done and when. If the timeline shifts, the system sends out the update, so everyone is always looking at the same live schedule. That same builder who struggled with Excel, after moving their projects into 123 Works, they told us they saved hours every week just by avoiding duplicate updates. For example, when one of their framers was delayed by 3 days, they simply moved the framing task on the Gantt chart, and every dependent task automatically adjusted. Trades were notified, the client was updated through the portal, and the builder didn't have to send out a single email manually. If you've ever felt like you're fighting to keep your schedules under control, 123 Works can help you stay organized, keep your trades aligned, and deliver projects on time. Want to see it in action for your business? Reach out and let's set up a demo.